Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you guys a quick video. I have a few different pieces that I'm going to be installing today. These are all common pieces, and these are pieces that we teach in the GPA course. So let's show you what's going on, and I'll walk you through the process.
So this is a fire escape with a corner post that raccoons have been putting their grubby paws on and climbing up. And some awesome individual keeps putting goo to deter them from getting back up there. Now, we already took down the previous soffit and reinstalled new wood in the area. We're going to replace all of this missing soffit with new metal pieces, and all of this area on the underside was gone. There was no wood, it was just soffit hanging down. Now, as you can see from down here, all of this siding over here is pretty nasty. The client asked me if I could replace it in its metal siding, so of course I said I could do it. And we have the wood soffit. We're going to install some vinyl siding, and I need J-channels. I need a soffit miter. I need 3 corner posts. And finally, I need the siding. Siding pieces, corner posts, soffit miter, and J-channels. Oh yeah, you guys didn't know? I could do magic. Turn this into a magic wand. Watch. Oh. Remove the siding and my shirt. Sorry about that. Got a little hot. The magic just keeps happening. I don't know where that corner post came from, but here's my other magic wand. Are you ready? We're gonna make that siding bippity boppity boop. Boop. Oh, look at that. It's all done. I love magic. So we got the soffit completed all the way through there. New siding all the way down. Corner post, and it looks beautiful. Have a good one. Peace.